Look at that over. 24 from that over. From Shadab. 6, 6, 6, 4 and 2 singles. 11.29 required run rate for World 11. Two dangerous players. Miller is on 19 of 18, run a ball, and then Pereira 27 of 9, strike rate of 300. Anything can happen from now. 78 from 41 we saw yesterday. They needed 33 of last 2 overs and they did it comfortably. And this danger man, this guy on screen, Pereira, was the destroyer.
Yeah, got to just keep ticking it over and well be in the zone. So Pereira 27 from 10. Has he got it in the gap? No, just a single will do. Good arm, good pace to the ball as well. Shoaib Malik is on that leg side. And that over of 24 just kind of brings a semblance of control again. It's no longer a case of where you've got to swing at everything. And they can once again, this World 11 side, think, right, need to get it as deep as we can, get it to those last 2 overs again. Can we break it down and make sure that we're not playing irresponsibly, because the rate's only 11.85. Balled. Good slower delivery. I say only, that's in comparison to what it was before that big over, where you were in a corner and had to try and play some big shots.
Different field set for Pereira today by Roman Reis. Third man is back and Madoff is up. It means he can bowl full delivery outside of stump if he wants to, because third man is back. He's got options with this field.
Oh, goodness. That's a top shot. 4 runs, raised up to the fence.
He very rarely plays that shot towards offside. This was something very different from Pereira. Look at that. There was no fielder there. Brilliant cricket from this guy. Sensible cricket.
He's an asset, this Ara Pereira, and striker that has shown it over these 3 games. Shot to catch it, and the catch is taken. That is a big wicket. Babar Azam is the man to take the catch. They're going to just check, I think. No, perhaps he's on his way.
Bit of a chat between the umpires. Are they asking, is it carried or not? It looked comfortable from here. Umpires nodded. Oh, they're going up to the third umpire.
Soft signal out, so they think he's caught it. In essence, it's just about whether it carries or not. Just seemed to let it drop for a while in trying to gauge where it was, trying to judge it, having been on the edge of the circle because of how hard this man had been hitting the ball. And that's all right, that's out.
Comfortable catch by Babar Azam. We're just waiting for the third umpire. Look at this. The fingers appear to be under the ball. I think third umpire is making it sure, having a closer look.
always horrible with these actually for the television, and I reckon you're better off looking at him in normal motion, so rather than slow it down so much, because you look at it a second time and you start doubting yourself.
Because as we know, square is a bit elevated, so this is just behind the square. I always feel that ball have touched the turf, but it's not actually. I think the fingers went under the ball.
It's a big decision. You probably don't want to be the one to be making it, because all those who are looking say, oh, hold on, can you give that out? Or should you give that out? Here it is. Here it is. What is it going to be? Wait. Oh, there you go, out. It's huge because of who it is. He showed what he can do to Sara Pereira in the previous game.